alikabok. The sandstorm is coming to town. Hi! Hi, Don May. I see you. You see me? Hi! Oh, ay, napakainit sa earth. Wait lang. Hi! Hello, Chang MC. How's your day today? Yep, see ya. Yeah, very good. You see me. Pragman na may Tweety Bird na panty. Nandyan si Pragman? Wow. Hello, Pragman. Thank you so much for visiting my live again and again. Was it good? Yes, Chang MC. It's very hot. The weather is very hot. And it's a very, you know. Thank you so much who come to my living. Thank you so much. Ate Slice, Dana May, Fragman na butterfly. Ay, hindi. Fragman na Hello Kitty ang kanyang brief. Chang MC. Si Bayot Judel. Yes, the one si Bayot Judel. At si Bella. At si Glenda. At si Pancake. May pancake tayo dito. May pancake man. Kakasundo lang. Yes. Thank you so much who come to my live, you know. Malalaman natin kung anong mangyayari pag nag-end tayo. So, it's 3 hours and 29 minutes today's. Saan ba ako napunta? Sino ba itong tapos na si Ate Slice. Oh, finish. The living is finished na. At live si Bella. Yes, Bella is live today's video. Okay, at live din si Lee Ilonggo Vlog. Bao gani, nag-live din, di ba? Mag-end ka na, no. I will end in 4 hours. Oo, tapos na nga, Chang. Now, live ni Shaina. Mga-away muna tayo doon. Harang mo tayo, harang. Yes, Kabsat. Yan, kaway-kaway tayo sa iba. 28 likes and 99 person in the house. Diba? Mega love. Bubu. Mega love shout out. Sa lahat. Harang. May harang muna tayo. Harang. Napakainit. Oo. Ipi-play ko yung premiere ni Dan May. Nauuna kasi yung premiere ni Dan May bago mag-live si Maria, no? It's so very mainit inside of my room. But outside is very windy na, no? It's very windy and very stormy. You know that?